This video is gonna be the most effective video for your hair health because I am sharing an energetic hair oil recipe for all hair problems such as hair fall, brittle hair, thin hair, dull hair dandruff, etc. Kindly don't skip any part of this video. This hair oil is made to help your hair stay healthy. It makes your hair shiny and smooth. You can use it 3 times in a week for the best results. Leave it overnight on your scalp or you can apply it only for 4 hours and then wash it with shampoo. Massage gently with your fingertips. That's mandatory. Now note down the oils and ingredients. You will require 5 different oils in this recipe. You mix them all together. First of all, you have to take mustard oil and coconut oil, almond oil, rosemary oil, and castor oil. So what to do, and here are some other ingredients as well, so see them. Here are some cloves, 10 cloves and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and here is curry leaves. You will take about 10 curry leaves. And castor oil, you know that the quantity, I want to tell you that how much the quantity. You will take 100 ml mustard oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, but will take castor oil only 2 tablespoons. Why? Because it is very sticky and very rich, so that's why we will add it in a less quantity. Okay, so first of all, you will take a pan and start mixing all the oils all together. So here is, I am adding mustard oil first. Okay, so one by one we will add all these oil in this pan. And the one thing more I want to tell you, rosemary oil, you know, rosemary oil, it doesn't need to heat it up because that is very mild oil. Other oil we will heat up on the flame. So now they are left. Right now I'm adding this. Okay, so at the last, when we prepare all the oil, we add rosemary oil in the last. So now that is done. Right now I will take this pan to my stove and then I will heat up it. This is left castor oil. I will take about 2 tablespoons. That is enough, sufficient. Now I'm going to heat it up on the flame, on low flame, and then this oil is fully hot right now. I'm adding 3 ingredients: cloves, fenugreek seeds, and curry leaves. See, I'm adding this. Now it is cooking right now. You just cover the lid, remove it from the flame, and leave it overnight. This oil is ready. uh, in the morning you are going to just strain this oil with the strainer and you will fill it in a glass jar, and whenever you need you can use this oil. It makes your hair stronger, preventing breakage, gives your hair a shiny and smooth look, keeps your hair hydrated, preventing dryness, provides essential nutrients for healthier hair, helps control frizzy hair, making it more manageable. Hope you will share and like this video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.